Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 13th of November. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which just continues to edge lower, doesn't it? On a daily basis, the run of lower daily highs is now into what, the 7th session, I think, in a row, potentially today. Yesterday's high, 110.40. Initially resistance clearly, therefore, but you can see this continued creep lower as the market retreats, and you can see that the momentum indicators are on the brink, I think, of turning negative and decisively corrective, because what we have is, at the moment, this is more of a bit of a drift, but the momentum indicators sitting at 40 on RSI, around that neutral point on MACD. If those two indicators go below those levels, but so RSI went into the 30s, MACD lines went below neutral, that would really suggest, I think, the market is breaking down decisively. I think 109.90, this pivot line through mid-September into October, that is sort of a bit of a benchmark, I think, for me now. And it'll be interesting to see if the market can hang on to that. It's sort of been buzzing around 110 big figure today. Did that yesterday and again early doors today, but 109.90, this pivot line here, if it breaks that, I think it really does suggest the market is going to the lows again. 108.75, 109.25, and that reaction low 109.40 come into play. So a very interesting moment, I think, for euro dollar. As I said, on a repeated basis, we've seen that a run of lower daily highs. You can see that through the hourly chart, where you've got this run lower since the market sort of topped out around that 111.80 mark. You've seen a consistent run of lower highs, and the failure around 60 on the RSI on the hourly chart as well. Again, that sort of really does hit towards a bearish bias. Not decisively corrective, not decisively negative, just more of a gentle drift lower. You can see the RSI sort of still holding up around the 30 mark. If that went consistently below 30, that would suggest really is sort of accelerating momentum, but not really seeing that. So you're getting the gentle sell-off rather than the decisive sell-off. But I think below 109.90, you really start to crank up the negative pressure. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinar.